Hi, Mini Builders. Are you feeling good today? So, today's adventure begins in an old oak tree that's hundreds of years old. It's an ideal shelter for birds who build their nests inside. They go looking for small branches and gradually put them together. But suddenly, a rainstorm with wind arrives. The little bird starts to get scared. Some branches are breaking. He especially doesn't want to lose his nest. And hey presto, his nest falls.
Disaster. What am I going to do?
Then the next day, we set off to explore with the team. So friends, what are we doing today? Are we exploring?
There was a storm last night. I think we can find something to fix.
Yeah, by the way, I slept badly because of that storm.
I dreamed of a huge sandwich. Actually, I'm starting to get hungry.
Are you always hungry, Max? All right, Lisa, let's go find a mission to accomplish.
Okay, Tom, let's go.
Maybe there's something to eat here. Nope, nothing at all. Oh,
Wait, that's my nest there. It fell from the tree. Can you help me? I need it to lay my eggs. They need to be safe in a tree.
oh, but Lisa will find something. We're the Mini Builders team.
Oh, yes, we'd love to. We'll secure the nest with natural ropes.
Great, Lisa. Let's help this bird. Go! Ha ha ha.
Okay, I'm climbing up the tree. Hee hee. I love hanging in the air.
Yeah, but if you stopped wrapping yourself up like a spaghetti, it would be easier.
Max, you're supposed to put up the nest, not do trapeze. Ha 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 ha.
Tom, you can tie the nest. Max, I'm coming to help you pull.
It's good, Lisa. It's tied. You can pull.
Be careful. It's very fragile. It won't survive a second fall.
Don't worry, I'm the strongest. Well, I think so.
And there you go. A nest safely back in its place.
Thank you. You were amazing. Finally, I'm going to rest.
And there you go. Another mission accomplished for the Mini Builders. We love you.
Sous un ciel étincelant.